In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly convert your cryptocurrency on Binance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting into the exciting world of digital currencies, this guide will help you quickly navigate the process. So let's dive right in, making sure you feel comfortable and confident every step along the way. First, let's start by logging in to Binance. If you're not familiar with Binance, it's one of the largest and most popular platforms for trading cryptocurrencies. Ensure you're on a secure internet connection when you enter your credentials, as security is paramount when it comes to protecting your digital assets. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all the magic begins. Now, your next destination is the trade section. Navigate your way there by spotting the trade option in the top menu. Hover over it and you'll see a drop-down list. From this list, select Convert. This conversion feature is a simple, straightforward way to swap cryptocurrencies or even convert to fiat currencies without diving deep into the complexities of regular trading. It's perfect for those of us looking for a quick and hassle-free transaction. As you enter the convert page, you'll find a neat interface awaiting your input. First, you need to decide on which cryptocurrency you'd like to sell. This will be your initial currency, the one you currently hold. Right next to it, select the currency you'd like to receive in return. This could be another type of cryptocurrency or perhaps a fiat currency if you're looking to cash out or diversify your portfolio. With your choices in place, it's time to enter the amount you'd like to convert. Be precise with your entries, as this will determine how much of your original cryptocurrency is exchanged into your selection. Double check your input to avoid any hiccups later on, as correcting errors after the fact can sometimes be a bit of a hassle. Now comes the moment of action. You'll see a button labeled either sell or convert, depending on the currencies involved. Give it a click, taking that decisive step towards altering your investment landscape. Binance's robust systems will take it from there, swiftly processing your request. Finally, once you've completed the process, it's time to check your wallet. Your funds, whether they're newly converted crypto or fiat, should promptly appear there. Keep an eye out for a notification or a quick confirmation message that reassures you of your successful transaction. It's always good to do a quick check and ensure everything is in order, giving you peace of mind, knowing your assets are securely where they should be. And that's it. You've now learned how to convert cryptocurrencies using Binance. Simple, isn't it? Whether you're optimizing your holdings or branching into new investment opportunities, efficient conversions can be a valuable tool in your trading arsenal. Thanks for joining me today and happy trading.